Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add an animate tags in Kinemaster. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a video project in my Kinemaster, and the first thing we have to do if we want to add an animate tags is clicking on this layer button, and we're going to select the tags option right here guys, and just type the tags you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm going to type this tags, and once you're done, you can click on OK button. Then the tags will be added to your video. Okay, and this is the tags. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, we can simply click on this button like this. And for example, I'm going to place this tags right here. Okay, and let's start animate the text. We can choose the type of animation right here. So you can choose either in animation, overall animation, or out animation. And I'm gonna go with overall animation. Then I'm going to select maybe floating animation. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and animate tags in Kinemaster. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.